I think it's time to take the car for a car wash. It's looking pretty dirty. So first we need to unplug it, so let's go ahead and do that. This is a plug-in hybrid, so it uses both electricity and gas, but I can run on pure electric power for about 43 miles. So let's go ahead and we'll go hit the car wash. So as you can see, we're presently driving in EV mode, which is electric vehicle mode. And presently I have 42 miles I can drive in this mode, electric only, and then I can switch to hybrid, which will be electric and gas. But continuous electric will be done once this 42 miles is used up. All right, we're pulling into the car wash place. All right, let's get the car washed. You can see it's got cameras all over the car, so even though we can't see out of the windshield, you can see what the front of the car is seeing. All these alarms are going off because it has so many sensors in it that to protect you from damaging the car. And it thinks it's getting damaged, so it's crying. All right, we have a nice clean car.